What's the difference between a Bugatti and a load of storage boxes filled with old decrepit junk? I don't have a Bugatti in my garage. I do, however, access to a very peculiar set of skills that have allowed me to curate a collection of world's coolest cars that I'll never afford for your viewing pleasure. From crystal-clad coupes to the car that's worth more than 500 Lamborghinis, strap in as we take a spin around some of the most expensive cars in the entire world. Crystal-studded Lamborghini Huracan. They say that all that glitters is not gold, and in the case of the first costly car en route, that's true. In this case, all that glitters is not gold, but crystal. In 2018, while studying in London University, Russian Instagram star Daria Radionova made the educated judgment that her $215,000 ruby red Lamborghini Huracan simply wasn't Instagrammable enough on its own. In between classes, Daria turned to master Swarovski artist Vince Vinceri, who led an expert team to painstakingly place 1.3 million Swarovski crystals across every inch of the car's crimson bodywork by hand. The result was a sparkling sensation that's capable of turning more heads than any regular Instagram post ever could. While they may sparkle like diamonds, Swarovski crystals are not made from natural diamonds or gemstones. The crystals are synthetic glass cut to look like diamonds, and while they're not as valuable as you might think, the amount of hours required for the team at Vinceri to install over 1 million of them would have cost a pretty penny. While it's not clear exactly how much it cost Daria to pimp this ride, a similar project in 2014 sent her back almost $75,000, which means this new ride speed demon came with a total price tag of at least $290,000. While Daria may not get any recognition in economics class, it's safe to say that she passed the influencer exam with flying colors, driving off into Swarovski red sunset. Pagani Huayra. When you're one of the youngest members of the world's exclusive multi-billionaire club, you'd think you'd have nothing left to prove. But in the case of social media mogul Mark Zuckerberg, it seems he's still keen to show the world that he's truly in the driver's seat of $1 billion supercar. In 2014, the Facebook founder and CEO, once known for keeping a low profile, reportedly flipped the script and became one of the few Americans to own the shape-shifting Pagani Huayra. Equipped with a 6-liter twin-turbo engine, this Picasso on wheels sports 730 horsepower with the ability to accelerate from 0 to 60 in an impressive 3.2 seconds with a top speed of 235 miles per hour. The Huayra is made up of a special material called carbitanium, a blend of carbon fiber and titanium that can withstand significant amount of heat and strain while being surprisingly lightweight. It's reported that the Zuck splashed $1.4 million to acquire his very own Huayra. Qatari Royal Lamborghini Aventador. From Instagram royalty to the real-life royal right now, let me introduce you to this Lamborghini Aventador owned by Nusar Al Thani, a member of Qatar royal family. On its own, an Aventador can set you back upward of $400,000, but this is no ordinary Lambo. The customized ride sports an iconic electric purple body, adorned with brightly contrasting orange stripes that make it look like it escaped straight off the Throne's game grid. And the sci-fi fantasy doesn't stop there thanks to the built-in flamethrower exhaust. This is a common result of the Aventador's powerful engine occasionally spewing unburnt fuel into the exhaust, which is ignited in the heat of the piping, all of which converts this already sweet ride into quite the road rocket. Solid gold supremacy. As we've seen already, when it comes to luxury cars, the designers and engineers at Lamborghini are well adept at taking the wheel. But even crystals and luminous accents are no match for this next Lambo mod. It all started back in 2013 when renowned German engineer Robert Galpin unveiled this incredible solid gold Lamborghini Aventador. But while all that glitter is gold in this instance, this wheel is hiding a little secret. The solid gold ride is actually a 1/8 scale model of a full-size Aventador and was presented as a prototype for a future full-size working version. Crafted out of a half-ton block of 22-karat gold as well as including a further 55 pounds of precious metal adornment, the model was priced at a jaw-dropping $350,000. That's almost the same price as a full-size working Lamborghini Aventador released in the very same year. Despite the fantastical model achieving the title of most expensive model car ever made, the dream of a full-scale real solid gold Aventador is yet to see the golden light of day. That's not to say there are no gold cars out there, well, golden appearance at least. In 2018, conventional singer Chris Brown has his Lamborghini Aventador wrapped with a blinding gold chrome wrap exterior, catapulting its value sky high. The mods were courtesy of Los Angeles-based luxury auto shop RDBLA, who not only wrapped its pod of gold, but also added a set of custom-made gold wheels made by master wheel designer Forgiato to match. The finishing touch was a Nike graphic integrated onto the car sides, making this ride the ultimate gold medal for sport and sneaker enthusiasts everywhere. The base price for the Aventador SV Roadster in 2018 was around $535,500, and with all the mods Chris made, it's estimated that this set him back an additional $5,000 or so, bringing the total up to approximately $580,000. While Chris's moral character is questionable, there is no questioning whether he has a love for overly flashy cars, which are definitely not overcompensating for anything. Rolls-Royce Wraith Palm Edition 999. Touted as one of the most iconic car manufacturers of all times, Rolls-Royce is another brand that has truly reached the gold standards when it comes to luxurious road travel, and they can prove it. In 2016, 9 standard Rolls-Royce Wraith models were taken from lavish to ludicrous when they were pimped up with pure gold. The work was carried out by a luxury vehicle modification firm called Mansory, who upgraded everything, including the door handles, seals, and belt buckles, which were redesigned to be made of pure gold. Several dashboard elements have been recast in gold, and even upholstery has matching leather accent in the same treasure tones. To top it all off, the wheels, hood, mirrors, roof, and bumpers are also accented with a gold-hued metallic finish. The pure gold design has even been mirrored in the upgraded Wraith name, the Palm Edition 999. The 999 comes from the 999.9 mark found on 24-karat gold bullion, which indicates the gold is 999.9 parts pure gold per 1,000 parts. While an original Wraith will set car connoisseurs back a sparkling $300,000, the gold-laden Palm Edition are valued at a blinding $635,000 each. And if that wasn't enough, buyers can request additional gold plating on any of the car's surfaces. So if you've got the cash, it seems you can upgrade this ride to cost its full weight in pure 999 gold. Okay, anyway, which of these bank-breaking cars will you be driving in your dreams tonight? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching.